Hey Braylon, so here's a quick video overview. Whenever you go into your planner, down here at the bottom are the tabs. This is last week, 222 through 226. Everything highlighted is what you haven't completed. At the very bottom, these are your grades for last week. So, unless if you can get these done, I'm not changing this. This is what you're going to have entered for your weekly grade for last week. Click on this tab right here, and that is everything from this Tuesday through next Tuesday that I need you to work on. Since you missed your meeting today, here you got a 0 for the meeting. You haven't caught up on work yet, so there's zeros in that. So make sure you work on that stuff. Um, so this is how you use that planner. And it's the exact same stuff. These are all links. All you have to do is click on them. Make sure you are logged into Clever and you have an IXL open on another tab before you click these links, or it will not record that you've done any of this, and I cannot give you credit unless if you are logged into IXL and it records it. So please get this done. Otherwise, you're just going to have zeros in the grade book again.